Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Power off the tablet, remove the case and any screen protector, and inspect the edges. Dust, moisture, or a warped protector often causes ghost touch. Gently clean the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Once done, restart into safe mode to see if the phantom touches stop, because this separates system apps from third-party interference. This tells you whether the issue is hardware or software related. You now move into software troubleshooting. First, update the OS and any firmware. Manufacturers often release touchscreen driver fixes. Then uninstall recent apps installed right before the problem started. Clear the system cache and run the built-in diagnostics or a trusted touch test app to map ghost inputs. Calibrate the touch if supported, and lower sensitivity settings to reduce false taps. Test with a stylus or USB mouse to confirm whether touch input differs. This helps you wrap up by preparing for a full reset. Back up photos, accounts, and settings, then perform a factory reset to eliminate stubborn software causes. Make sure to recheck touch behavior before restoring data. If ghost touch continues after a reset, inspect for visible screen or digitizer damage, bubbles, cracks, or bent frames, and contact a repair center for digitizer replacement. If you need a quick workaround, use an external mouse or enable reduced touch sensitivity. Troubleshooting tip: always verify results in safe mode before paying for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.